Hi there, my name is Lawrence, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a local user account from Windows 10. Maybe you created a user account for a friend or family member on your computer, and now you want to delete their account and access. Please note, in order to delete a user account in Windows 10, you'll need to be an administrator on your computer. If you're not, please reach out to your system administrator to delete the user account you wish to delete. To get started, go into the Windows Start bar and type in User, and click on the Add, Edit or Remove Other Users option. A Family and Other Users dialog window will now display. From here, you can see we have a local account on my computer by the name of Bob, located underneath the Other Users section. Click onto the account. A Remove option will now appear. Click on the Remove option to delete the user account from your computer. A confirmation window will now display, asking you if you're sure you wish to delete the following user account and any associated data. Click on the Delete Account and Data button. The user account will now be deleted. And it's as easy as that. Deleting a local user account from Windows 10 is a simple task to perform. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe.